Here, it's 9 o'clock. Time to rip NBA hoops. Freshly sealed, as you can see. So Darren, who all you got? I guess what's your eBay name, I should say. Got 2 boxes here. I do love the NBA hoops. They're definitely my favorite set you can buy. Nice. Thunder, Magic, Pacers. Cool. So you're Rum 74. All right. Cool. So this is my first, thank you, Rum 74. This is my first sales ever. Appreciate you. Go one at a time. We'll try to get quick here. I'm trying to get back to watch the UConn play tonight. If I'd have been smarter, I wouldn't have scheduled this at 9 o'clock. UConn and Miami tonight. You gonna watch that? All right, Thunder, Magic, Pacers for you, Darren. Run 74. It's a Pacer on the back. Yeah, come on, UConn. I'm with you, man. UConn all the way. Got Pacer on the front, too. How about that? Let's see, Thunder, Magic, Pacers. We'll run through these for you. Some Magic. Gary Harris. Did you watch San Diego State and FAU? That was a absolute heartbreaker. Oh, baby, look at that. Steph. Hey. There you go, boy. I'll sleeve him up for you. That was unreal. I've been watching, I've seen it happen so many times now. Coaches call, like when FAU was up, they call that timeout at half court, and they have a hard time getting the ball in. It's like, it's like it always bites them in the butt. It's crazy. They had a hard time getting the ball in, didn't get the best shot in the world, end up coming down and losing. I saw that happen the other day. I can't remember who was playing, but it was March Madness also. Another Pacer on the front for you. Halliburton. Let's see. Thunder, Magic, Pacers. Thunder, Magic, Pacers. Appreciate you being here. At least have somebody to talk to. You love the Pistons? I'll probably throw you a few extra cards, man, just for being here, being one of my first sales. That one didn't go so hot for you. Some of the teams I didn't sell, I'll throw you some of them. I actually like to collect these retro cards. I've been hot on the old NBA hoops packs and the 90s cards. Yeah, man, I plan on doing some more. I'm just getting started out. I only have like 86. There's a Magic. I only have like 86 followers or subscribers on YouTube. Another Magic. And I have no eBay clout at all. So trying to get started on Twitter too. So I'll just keep going. There's a Thunder. Love these sky views. Zach LaVine. Do you have a favorite player, like all time and current? Ooh, that's something nice for you on the back, my man. I'll just go ahead and pull it out because I don't want to touch it up too much. Hey, how about that? Rookie sweater. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and get that in something for you right now. Jordan all time. Yeah. Me too, man. Me too. Yeah, that's a sick card. That's one of the coolest ones I've ever pulled. Go ahead and get him in there for you. Keep him nice. Okay. Oh, my bad. We're on Thunder, Magic, Pacers. How's the audio? Is the audio okay? Like, is the music too loud? Can you hear me all right? A lot of Steph Curry in this, man. Appreciate that. Thanks for the feedback. Doing this down in my basement, man. Hustling and grinding. Just had a newborn the other day. She's a little over 3 weeks old. Thank you, man. Thank you. This one's not looking like your pack here. So if you're a Pacers fan, you gotta love Reggie Miller, right? Last pack for this box. See what I got Reggie Miller wise here. Man, Pacers have been on the front a lot. I'll put him up here with you. That's my bad. Ooh, that's nice. Never seen one of those before. That variation, at least. So Thunder. All right, one box down, one to go. So I told you I was pulling these old packs the other day, and these 90s packs, and I pulled a Reggie USA team. Reggie. I thought that was cool. It's like just the USA team. 1994. Yeah, you got Pistons, yep. Yeah. I got everybody on the sheet here, so I'll make sure I get it squared away. I'll go back through and make sure I didn't miss anything. If you see that I missed something there real quick, just shout it out. All right, one to go. Oh, dude, this is so much fun. I love opening these. I'm super pumped you got a sweater card, especially since you're here on the live. All right. Piston. Yeah. Russ, no longer with the Lakers, though. That's awesome, man. I'm so pumped for you. Another Steph. Heavy on the Skyview Stephs. Piston or Pacer. Thunder. Thunder, back to back, rookie. Hey. How about that? So what's up? We'll sleeve him up for you real quick. Pacers hitting. And that last card, the Grizzly rookie. These things are hard to read. I can't even read it here in my house. Hey, there we go. A little match up. Rookie. Same guy. A knife away from that. Magic. Let's go. That's right. How about Kendall Brown? You know anything about him? See panning it out. Hasn't played too much. I didn't think he had. I only get the Cavaliers on TV where I'm living. I don't have NBA TV or anything, so I watch the Cavs a lot. That's about all I know. Oh, that's a Piston. My bad. Go up there for you. Actually. Hey, a Thunder action. Jalen Williams. Another sweater card. Blazers. And I don't think anybody bought the Blazers. Nah. I don't know anything about him either. Shaden Sharp. Don't know how he's panning out. Two to go. That's what's up. Jimmy Butler. I love Jimmy Butler. Jimmy Butler's the poor man's LeBron, poor man's Michael Jordan. Go. James Harden. Magic. Mo Bamba. I like Mo Bamba. I'm gonna sleeve him up for you. Hey. Another. Must not be too special. Second one of that we've pulled. Let's see. I'm gonna give you that one, man. Nobody else claimed him. I'll give you that guy. Giannis. Pure player. Last pack. Let's go. Last pack Magic. Pacers stay hot. Come on. Come on. Give my man Rum something. Darius Garland. I really liked watching him, being a Caps fan this year. It's been pretty nice. All right, I'll run through all these again just to make sure we didn't miss anything for you. I'll have these out in the mail to you, plus a few extras Monday morning, man, first thing. Got a nice little lot, man. Good picking. I think you arguably got the best pull. You hit, man, you hit. Hoop, there it is. Love it, man, love it. I'll get these sleeved up for you in the mail on Monday, man. All right, thank you for being one of my first buyers. Thank you for tuning into my first live stream. We'll be back at it. I have a YouTube channel if you want to subscribe to it. Love to have you hit that subscribe. And I'm on Twitter. If you're on Twitter, you can find me on there. Handle is Trey Sprague, TraeSprague. All right, here in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time, my man.